How's it going, everybody? And before we start the main part of this video, I gotta give recognition to two different individuals that made this video possible. First person would be John from Approval Motorcycles in Sandusky, Michigan. I woke up in November and I wanted to buy a bike, and I looked at a 2020 Honda CBR 650R, and I was gonna get the bike financed. I saw it on their webpage, so I had John run my credit. The finance company either wanted me to get a cosigner or to put down half the price of about $6,000. And so I just wasn't going to do that. And the other option I had was to pick from a catalog of used motorcycles that they were selling. So I did. That's where I found this Gixxer here I got, 2003 Gixxer 600, 31,000 miles on it, and this is the actual ad that ran, so it's $4,000. So the total price of the bike after taxes and delivery charge was about $4,500. Now, $200 of the $45 went for a $200 delivery fee. Sandusky, Michigan is about a 2.5-hour drive from Detroit. So once again, I'd like to give a shout out to John at Approval Power Sports for making it possible to put my bike in layaway. I paid for it in 4.5 months. I put $1,000 down and basically did $1,000 a month for the bike and the delivery. Second person I want to give a shout out is to Steel City Motor Vlogs. That's my man, Derek T. Now, I use Power Director 360 to edit and produce my videos. So when I got the new bike, I did a quick clip, and you guys saw it. And when I went to download from Power Director 360 onto YouTube, I got a 400 error code message. I didn't know what it was, so I thought I could click off of it, redo the video again, save it, and then produce it, and then save it, and then download from Power Director to YouTube. But it didn't happen. So it just so happened I called Derek T, Steel City Motor Vlogs, and we've never met each other. He's a great guy. We've been talking to each other via the phone and through commenting on our videos, and we've just got this great relationship. And I told him, I was like, hey Derek, I can't download my videos to YouTube through Power Director. He says, well, have you ever tried to directly download your videos on YouTube? And I just never knew I could do it, because ever since I've been creating videos on YouTube, I always edit, produce, and then download through Power Director. So he says, well, let's try it this way. Go to Google Chrome and set your account up with them, and then you can go to create at the top of the right-hand side of your homepage, and you can just download it that way. So that's what I did. I edited and produced my videos through Power Director 360, and then saved it. I went into my YouTube page and just downloaded it through the create button. It was really, really simple, and I feel really stupid not knowing that's how you could download a video. But once again, I say, from the very first video I did 3 years ago till now, I've always used Power Director 360, which I'll continue to use. It's just that now I don't have to, after I do the actual editing of the video and the producing of the video, I can just directly download that produced video to YouTube. So once again, I want to give a shout out to my man, Derek T of Steel City Motor Vlogs. Go check my man out.